À l'occasion de ces journées en vol recherche de la Fondation Airbus, il était important de montrer qu'Airbus, cette grande entreprise, s'intéresse aussi à la robotique. La robotique, c'est en train de se fonder en tant que discipline scientifique. La question du rapport de l'homme à la machine, bon, je l'ai évoqué effectivement, c'est avant tout des questions de sécurité, c'est-à-dire comment on peut collaborer de manière fiable et de manière sans danger avec une machine qui va nous aider dans notre travail, avec lesquels on va avoir une interaction physique. Tout ça, ce sont des champs scientifiques nouveaux sur lesquels nous progressons.
Robots must be safe in interaction, but also in case some sort of actuators or sensors fail, the system must be tolerant to the failures. This is the issue of dependability. So we have to work on the intelligence, on the safety, on the dependability and reliability of the machines. And this is the effort of a much wider community than just the robotics engineers and technicians and experts.
There are two main issues in to have this kind of robots in the factories. The main point is safety, so we have to make sure that we comply to regulations. And the second point is acceptability. So we have to make sure that people around feel safe but also comfortable with the robot. The application that we see behind is first kind of collaborative assembly of an aircraft structure part. So we have the robot assisting the human in a part of the task and the human performing a second part. What we try to do is to look into the complete assembly sequence and to determine which part is better done by the human and which part is better done by the robot. And in particular, we look to assist humans in the tasks that are very repetitive or very heavy.